Right, live on Adom TV, we can see what bedroom so. Yamwakwaba, and then some of the talks. So there's a factor say, what say na ya chichine kufu de by Sergio Manocho Bernard Party with producers. Kejuana Kasane Erica Siedu Bwedi, and I bet some na say, and Tempaso, the fee, Yanama Mice or Sunny Abafi, Abae, the Ecoso, a fee. Now, Mason Greenwood, a former Manchester United player, so the mechanics says, loan, I was Spain, Hetafe, Minoka say, Marseille, in a way, I could see a kind at the Amon now. The two Johannes and Nia Japan. Now all no na fans de be na se mo omoni nye ho na so the new coach Zebi so ye player ba kwa ohia na pa yi na Branton ne sama tudwa se ball no okoboye sebe nye ye off the pitch nsem ti ono de kwa akono park ne so nko a ye nkonko a. Right, and so you know Mason Greenwood now but from Manchester United the corner mu and Lenny Yoro is a new kid on the block, 18 years now Branton ye now I born the first game in my United in their friendly game over the Pem Sodom and Branton in summer to just say, or who is Manchester United, the biggest club in the world, and Tini Kwan and man and hope pretty one or sign at the Marmon. One on and some Lenny Euro or the two near there. But if you're near you heard the Kosofi, Honorable Mustafa, you see, very sports minister. Papa in summer to just Mosa, a dear Bakwa, buying between the two Hopa. Yes, mobile sports infrastructure. My aya dear papa no. Jidi yese ansana mo ebe to aso ase bia ye be to bo mesan wini ato aso de na mo anya so mfa so bebre.
Huge investment in sports infrastructure by the government with the aim of developing and promoting sports as well as sports for development in Ghana. In March, Accra was declared by the African Union as the African City for Sports following Ghana's successful hosting and organization of the African Games. As a government, we recognize the socio-economic power of sports is immense, and from providing jobs for many to exporting the brand of Ghana to the rest of the world, the potential is limitless. A huge investment in sports infrastructure by the government with the aim of developing and promoting sports as well as sports for development in Ghana.
Right, Neil Armstrong Mortagbe, Bono Okopimu, Ghana Football Association, head of PR and strategy. What in some kakra area to just say, bless a war Ghana Premier League mono. Say, yeah, Tom, one more, so much to Kwan in Yauchana, and say, Kwambia so no place no a Dawson or club BM was and a baby called Babisia name on Armstrong Mortagbe.
Look at the budgets of some of these clubs, it goes into millions of cities. So the concept that our president has is how do you empower them to make their money? And so, for example, you have clubs that have got players of average age 24, 25, 26. Where are they going to sell these players to? And we need to understand that this country is a selling country when it comes to football. What do I mean by selling country? We produce players to sell. I'm saying it bluntly because that is the reality. And until those of us in the industry, we are talking football because you spoke about football, come to a realization that we are a selling country. What products will you sell that will make you the kind of money you need to run your clubs? You sell players of age 18, 19, 20. How do we market these ones when they are that young to promote the league whilst they are here so that when they are gone, we'll not be bereft of talents? What conveyor belt do we have as clubs to keep churning out those talents? Because the reality is the topmost ones, 18, 19, 20, worst case 21, they are not going to stay in this country. It's a fact. So market them at that age, derive whatever value you can derive out of them at that age, get the fans excited about them when they are that young, because they're not going to stay with you. And when they go there, they make money. Foreign direct investment comes back. Doc talk about doing an economic impact analysis of what sports, not only football, does for this country. So the investments will go on, but it's empowering the clubs to understand that we are a selling country. It's a fact. When we have that understanding, every year, every club will be working with the mindset that we are a selling country. What player is there in my squad that can go out this year?
Right, Neil Armstrong Mortagbe. Now, if you want to copy more the Black Princesses of Ghana next month, I'm going to see man and the FIFA 20 Women's World Cup. Coach, you see, Basigi, one of your coach, Pani Padma, Boku, or some bonuses, Biakam, qualification, money at the Bavim and Vogo, on the copy Colombia, Cotil man.
Place now. man who almost omudin wa hano na ye wo foreign based players we ho no a omudin amma in the list because na ye pese ye hwe other players home based players no mo hano nti no amomudin amba na so that number never hani betimi increase number no near the assurance so say omeba me can drop on a last player probably cancer Helen Alumenu nti no na nye problem bi asa. It was just an exercise near here said that the pave way ama omo hano na almost a try and sana home foreign base number nti na we say we are need amba but waba we chire because Alumenu obi anim say oye a key player in the team nti no sana etie and bonus system no there me feel say normal aban na share dey say we say o nwa boy dey betua jeba ne sana ye ja hodema management na omtuma na mo because ye dey say ye adwuma no ye ko na mpay for so ahwechira maye na minim say ministry so dey omo ne ye ho because they have so much concern for us. You know, you say, almost so many yaji, and also may ye bring amaye, and sana, if you can, I can see no abaso. The Jomu Dipa, so many areas.
Still on the Black Princesses, on the 31st of August, I can see no chassis war Colombia. Now, Coach Basigi Asantuaso. Ade atudwa na na ohye say ade ba kwa mo koye ne say betima qualify from the group and say akwa we about the 7th consecutive time but yakobia to da bia na fi group ni mu na say sa ba we de o say target say be fi group ni makoye ni mu no abebam.
Black Princesses, as we all know, we have not been slow starters since we started playing our tournaments. We played the waffle, we didn't start slowly. Though we're not winning, we're not scoring many goals. We were scoring and winning match after match. The same thing when we came here too. We didn't score many goals, but yet we got to finals and won it. So we are very cautious about that because tournament of such, you don't need to start slowly. You have to go all out, put in your maximum best in order to advance. So that is what we intend doing. Our intention is not to go and start slowly. Our intention is to move at our own pace to ensure that we are able to advance to the next stage. If you don't advance to the next stage, you don't think about the subsequent ones. So definitely our target for now.
Right, and so when only and some coach you see Basigi what the echo a job. Send a man a na ye send a transfer window so a see a panny out Real Madrid, Barcelona, Barcelona, Bre, Chelsea, and Bre, Amoko USA, Thomas and sign players, goalkeeper bar, Barcelona, Brace and sign big. Now you better send an email about a cacotor me a wrap up ahead of the season. Take our shadows to Efa and my original so idea see an pay. Say Joe Manocho Bernard Padibu producers, Kejwana Kasane, Eric Asidu Body.